In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tooltips in Tableau. If you've ever wanted to make your data visualizations more interactive and informative, editing tooltips is a great place to start. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you're going to open the Tableau public app. If you don't already have it, it's easy to download from their website. Once you have it installed, launch the application to get started. After opening Tableau, your next move is to access your worksheet. Every visualization begins with a worksheet, which is where you design and refine your insights. Make sure you have your data connected and you're viewing the screen where you want to add or edit tooltips. Now, it's time to select the specific sheet where you want to work on the tooltips. This could be any chart or graph that is part of your visualization. After selecting your desired sheet, direct your attention to the Marks card. You'll find this on the sidebar. On the Marks card, look for the Tooltip option and give it a click. Once you click the Tooltip option, you will open the Edit Tooltip dialog box. Here you can start customizing what your viewers will see when they hover over elements in your visualization. To begin editing, type directly into the text box that appears. You can add any static text you want, and what you type here will appear just as you've written it when users hover over the relevant part of your visualization. For a more dynamic tooltip, you'll want to utilize the Insert menu. This feature is great for adding content that changes based on the field values or sheet properties your users are interested in. Dynamic content makes your tooltips much more powerful and interactive, adjusting to the specific data points that users explore. An additional efficient method to incorporate dynamic data is by dragging fields directly from the data pane into the tooltip area. This action automatically includes that field in your tooltip, providing additional context effortlessly. After you've set up your content, you may want to adjust how it looks. Use the formatting tools at the top of the dialog box to customize the appearance of your tooltip. You can change the font, size, color, and even the alignment to make your tooltip not only informative but also attractive and consistent with your overall design. And there you have it. With just a few tweaks, you can transform your tooltip into compelling, informative guides that enhance the storytelling capability of your Tableau visualizations. Follow these steps and you'll create a more engaging experience for anyone who interacts with your data. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.